Welcome to Microsoft Mail Merge Made Easy. In this lesson, you will learn how to produce form letters in Microsoft Word using the Mail Merge process. We start by activating Microsoft Word from the dock. When Microsoft Word is open, we select Blank Document. From the Microsoft Word interface, to view the Mail Merge ribbon of commands, we want to go to Mailings. Beginning with Start Mail Merge, the Mail Merge ribbon is displayed. Notice that all of these options are grayed out, okay, except for Start Mail Merge and Select Recipients. We're going to begin the process by clicking on Start Mail Merge and then Letters. This places Microsoft Word into Mail Merge mode so that you can begin typing a letter if you so choose to. However, we're going to now take the next step and choose a new or existing recipient list for our mail merge. I'm going to click on Select Recipients. And because we don't have a list, we're going to create a new list. We get the Edit List Fields dialog box on our screen. Here we have a number of categories that we can use. We don't need all of them, so I'm going to show you how to delete what we don't need for now. We're going to click on Work Phone. Right below it is the minus sign. Click on that. That deletes it from our list. We're going to select Work Phone, Home Phone, delete it, Country, delete it. Now I'm going to click on Create, and we're automatically going to be asked to save our list of fields. So I'm going to save this on the desktop with the name, Congrats, main document, data source. Boom. Press Enter, and we're now prompted to begin to type the names of our recipients in the Edit List Entries dialog box. So we're going to start with the title. This is the civil title, Mr. John Doe. Press Tab or click on the next entry field to type in. I'm using the Tab key. We call him President. Company is JD Enterprises. Address 1 JD Road. City, everything is in New York for me. Now, we don't see postal code, so we have to scroll down using the scroll bar. 0021. To add another record, we're going to click on the plus sign here. That gives us a blank slate to add our next record. Now, I'm going to point out something very important to you in that when you are typing the records, it is very important that you do not put an extra space after the last character. Okay? I'm going to purposely make that error here by putting several spaces after Ms. Jane Doe's company name. We're going to see the effect of that later on when we edit this document. So I'm going to add another record. So with 3 records, it's fine. I'm gonna press OK, and we're taken to our main document. In our main document, we want to leave room for what would otherwise be the header of the document. So we do this by pressing enter several times. In this case, I've chosen to press enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. I'm going to type on the 8th line. So we're going to begin the process here of inserting our merge fields. We do this by clicking on the Insert Merge Field button. Notice the first one that comes up. This is the list that we've chosen earlier. So we're going to click Title, put a space after it, go back to Insert Merge Field, first name, put a space, last name. Okay, let me make this a little bit bigger so that it's easier visible for you. So you see, I'm going to press enter now. We're going to place the person's job title will appear there. These are placeholders. Go here, press enter again, go back to insert merge field, pick up company name, press enter again, go back and get the address 1, press enter again. We're going to put address 2 in there, see what happens. Press enter again. I'm going to go back and get city. Now we're going to put a comma after city, followed by a space to separate it. I'm going to go back to insert merge field, get state, 2 spaces, and then postal code. Okay. This will be the date line. So I'm going to put in today's date. Today is August 11th, 2018. And we're going to begin our letter here. Congratulations. Once the letter has been typed, okay, what we want to do is, of course, review the letter, edit the letter if necessary. So in this case, we have a small mistake here. Brochure. Fix that. Okay. Now we want to preview our results. We want to see what this is going to look like before we merge it. We do this by clicking on Preview Results. And there we have Mr. John Doe, President. Okay, congratulations, John. Click on the next button here. Next record. Jane Doe. Okay, remember those mistakes, those spaces. Okay. Okay. So, so what we notice is that there's an extra space here. Okay, so we want to fix that. preview results again. And there we have it. Just 2 spaces between. Okay. And earlier we mentioned that there was some extra space here after enterprises, right? So we're going to go into edit recipient list to fix that. There we go. Press OK. There we go. Okay, that takes care of that. Now, we're almost there. We want to now view the final product. We do this by clicking on Finish and Merge, and then Edit Individual Documents. This will give us a new window, and we simply are going to scroll down. There's the first letter on its own page. We have a break there for the next page. There's the next letter on its own page. And we continue to scroll down, and we see the last letter on its own page. For our purposes, we're going to save these letters, and we're going to save it on a desktop. I'm going to call it Congrats Letters. Save that. We can close this Congrats Letters now by going to File and selecting Close. We're taken back to our main document. We know we are our main document because we see the Mail Merge ribbon here. Okay, we want to save our main document. So we're going to go to File and Close. We're going to be automatically asked to save our main document. Notice it tells us document 4 is a mail merge main document that is attached to a data source. Congrats data source, docx, that has not been saved. Do you want to save congrats data source? This is your data source records. Earlier we saved the fields. Now we have to save the records. So we're going to click on Save. Okay, that saves the records. Now we want to save the main document itself. Do you want to save the changes you made to document 4? I'm going to click on Save here. And this is Congrats Main Document. Press Enter, and congratulations. That is the end of this lesson. You can review this lesson as often as you need to in order to practice the skills.